Hello everyone. So today I will record a video on how to recover a pool if the pool master has a problem and it needs to be reinstalled. So this video will take will be a little bit longer than 30 minutes, I believe, but I will do my best to make it as short as possible. So first, let's take a look at the setup. So we have one pool with three hosts in it. XenServer is the pool master, and on each um, XenServer I have one VM started. They are running through PVS, and all my VMs are using home servers because they are stored on the local storage on each VM, on each XenServer. So I'm not, even if I have this NFS is empty. All the VMs are directly on the server themselves. Okay, so let's see what we need. So what I will do, I will just power off this XenServer, the the pool master, to mimic a failure. I will power it off directly from the VMware workstation because everything is virtualized. This is my lab. I will just forcefully power it off so that the pool thinks that it's down. I do not have high availability enabled, so it's disabled for this pool. So pool master will not be automatically elected. Let's also see uh, the Citrix connection because I'm using this in a Citrix environment. So in the hosting, I added the pool master. I added the pool as a hypervisor, and when you add it like this, so it's added just as a connection that will only manage the power of the VMs. So you can only power on, power off VMs through this type of connection. You do not have like here, like the vCenter, you do not have control over the storage or anything else. And the connection, let's edit the connection. When you do it like that, and you add the you will always type the pool master. It only selects the first one, but I will leave it like this. So if we select more, uh, all the servers in the pool, then we have high availability. But I will leave it like this, like the default, and we will see what happens. Okay, let's start. So I've started a session from one of the clones. So this is PVS clone 05. It started on this one, but this one is also started and it's registered in Studio. Okay, let's fail the pool master, and we will try to somehow repair the pool and reinstall the pool master and add it back. Okay, so I'm not here. Let's go to. Okay, so let's make sure that it doesn't know that we are powering it off. Let's go with power off this, and this will immediately power off the XenServer 06. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our pool. So at this moment, the pool does not know that the master is gone. But let's try to let's try to see. Let's try to do something. No, not like this. Let's go in the so we know that the pool master is gone. Let's try to um, control one of the VMs. Let's see if we can reboot. So let's try to reboot this one. Let's see if we still have any control. But I will leave no. So the XenServer identified that the pool master is gone. Let's see here. If anything happened, nothing happened. Let's try to reboot because this is I'm currently connected to this one. Let's try to reboot this one. Restart. I believe that no information will get through. So this will not work. Okay, one thing, let's go to see the consoles. Okay, so nothing here. Okay, so as an advice, do not, if the pool master is gone, do not reboot the slaves. Leave them like that. Never reboot until you designate a new pool master. Okay, so here nothing happens. Okay, let's see if we select now the other devices. Let's see if we select the other the other device, the other hosts in that connection. So I just want to see if we can do anything without the pool master. Okay, so let's check the other ones. Save, apply. But I believe nothing, so the host server cannot be contacted. Okay, so let's see, save. I believe nothing will work because when the pool master is gone, nothing will work. So you cannot control anything. Nevertheless, the VMs will still work. Okay, so you cannot do this when the pool master is gone. Okay, let's start the troubleshooting. So first thing in this case, we need to connect one of the slaves. So I'll connect to the 07. Okay, let's see if anything works. Host list. Okay, so I believe no command will work except the emergency transition to master. Let's wait for a little bit. Okay. Yeah, no time will work. Okay, no problem. So first command that we need to have here is xe. This one should work. Emergency transition to master. So this one will be elected. We need to wait for 10 seconds. Okay, and let's try again the X host list. Okay, so we are back in business. XenServer is now the pool master. Let's see if we can connect to it. 1 second. No, because this only knows that 116 is the pool master. Let's go cancel. Let's go forget password. Remove from XenCenter. And we can just add it one more time. And we add the host that we know that it's now the pool master. Okay. So he is now the pool master, but let's also give him the recover slave because he did not fully he didn't recover the other slave, and we need to xe full recover slaves. What's left? Of course, as he recovered D3. Okay, this may be the 08. Okay, let's leave him a little bit. Okay, D3. Okay, he recovered the one that's left. And of course, XenServer is completely down. Okay, VMs are still working, so now our pool is back online because we designated a new pool master. Okay, let's see one more time. Host list. So we still have all three of them. Okay, perfect. Before we do anything, let's go see the hosting connection. And now the hosting connection, we should be able to select apply because it should be able to communicate with the rest of the pool. Because I do not want to recreate the hosting connection. Okay, so I believe it worked. Yeah, we still have a little bit of problems, but let's test the connection. should be able to communicate with. Okay, close. Okay, no problem. If we have that error, we know that one is down. Let's see the VMs, vMachine. Let's see if we now can. So yeah, we know that this was on. Let's see if we can reboot, for example, PVS 07. Let's see. I don't have a reboot option. Power state unknown. Okay. So, oh, wait. Just needed some time. Restart. Yes. See if it got the restart. Okay, so we have power management. Okay, so for for Citric this was enough to recover. Now we have to delete the master because the master is dead. Um, I would like to see. I know that the pool master is written in a file. Wait a second. Let me connect with WinSCP to 07 to 08. Sorry, 08. Let's see, login. Yes, accept password. Okay. Now 1 second. I should find the under etc XenSource. Where is the XenSource? And pool conf. There we have a pool conf file. Okay, so here we should see that this is the slave, and now it knows that this is the master. This is correct. Let's also see the other one. Let's make sure that also the pool master has only the XenSource pool conf. He should see only the master. Okay, so our pool is fine at this moment, and we can um, start to remove it. So the only way we can remove it is with destroy. If we use it from the Xen Center, by destroying it will destroy everything related to it um, from the database. And let's go with yes. Okay, so do you see this warning? In this it says because there are some VMs still running. We had a VM running, and we cannot destroy the full master because it knows that it remembered that one VM was started. We can fix that with resetting the VM power state. So we first need the UID of the host, so we have it. So this is the one, and then we need to VM reset reset power state resident on, because we want to reset all the VMs that were resident, the power state of all the VMs that are resident on the old pool master that crashed. And we have to go with multiple. Let's enlarge this. Multiple and then force. Okay. Okay, now we did reset the power state, and we can go back to our pool, and now the destroy should work. Okay. This will take a little bit. As you can see, it now clears the storages. Okay, it's done. So now our master is removed, and it dropped out the VMs. So we just have to also delete them, because we had the disks on the local storage. So we have no disks. Just delete and again delete. Yes. Okay, now we need to reinstall the old to reinstall our XenServer, and I will just edit the virtual machine. Just need to take a look. So 4 GB, 4 CPUs, 150. Okay, and I need the MAC address because I want to make it exactly like in a productive environment. So if you had disk failure where the operating system was installed on, then you will have the same network. Okay, let's create a new VM. I forgot how to create a VM. New virtual machine. Okay, typical. Later, that's correct. So select this. I believe I always went with SXI 7. Okay, let's create. Where should I create this? Where? I should have a disk here. XenServer 7, make new one. XenServer clone, or let's say recovered. Okay. Okay, so onto there, the name should be XenServer recovered. Okay, next. What was that? 150, I believe. Store in a single file. Customize hardware. I want 4 vCPUs. Enable, yes. Not in the NAT, I want it in the LAN segment, no. Advanced, and I want to give it the same MAC address. Okay. And VM 8. Okay. Close. Next. Okay, finish. Okay, let's edit the disk. we need? Phew. I need to browse for it. So what do we have here? XenServer, and I need this one. Previous accelerator. Oh, I need that one too. Okay, so open. Okay. Okay. This looks nice. Let's just power on because I need to install it. Yes, install. Until it starts, let me just copy that. Where is my NFS? NFS login. Because I saw a file there. Yeah, I'll do it later. Okay. Okay, so let's install English US. That's correct. Welcome. Yes, welcome. Accept the certificates and everything. Accept all. Accept all. Okay, let's see. What does he want? Okay, yes, enable team provisioning and okay. Local media, okay. Skip verification, please, and go okay. Password. And one more time, and then okay. No, we want static, and I know, of course, the IP 192.168.2.235, and it was 116, and subnet was 255.255. 55.255.0, and the gateway is 192.168.235.2. Okay, I have no VLANs. Go okay, and we will name it XenServer. DNS is 192.168.2.235.100. Okay, Africa. No, we are not in Africa. We are in Europe. And we are in Bucharest. Use again to the manual time entry. Don't have time for NTP. Okay. Install. Okay. Until this installs, I will stop the recording and continue after it's finished. Okay, so for some reason the recording stopped, and I do not have time to record everything I've done one more time. And I will just tell you what I have done. 1 second. So let's open Chrome too. So we left off. I was installing the pool master, the broken pool master from zero. So I've installed it. I've applied all the patches so that it's at the same patch level as the pool. I've licensed it, and I added him to to the domain. I believe I've done that so a few minutes ago in the recording when it worked. After that, I joined it to the pool simply like this, just add server, and I added a new server to the pool, and I went then on the pool master, which was 07, and I have just promoted the old XenServer to be again the pool master with this command. So pool designate new pool master, and I wrote here the UID of our XenServer pool master. So this is the UID. So this is what I've done. So the pool is back in the same configuration. 6 is the pool master, and 7 and 8 are the slaves. I also recreated the clones on the server. I have a video for this because I used the same script. So I've recreated them in a few seconds, started them, and everything is working. And on the Citrix side, on the hosting connection, I went with I removed again so I left it how we started, because I wanted to see if I change the pool master. So the pool master has a new UID. So because that's what's happening when you reinstall it, I wanted to see if he still if our studio can still communicate with the hypervisor, and it seems that it does not record the UID, because even if I leave it like this only on the first so the pool master in the hosting connection, I can still work, so I can still power on, power off VMs like I've done it before the pool has crashed. So let's power off one of them just to see that it's working. Okay, and it took the command, it's powering off. So this was basically it. Um, after I created the additional pool master, um, I was thinking about why did I create a new pool master, because I could have just reinstalled XenServer, so I could have just uploaded the ISO, and I should have forced a new reinstall, but I didn't think about about that when I started the video. Okay, so basically those were the steps. Your pool is back online with the same configuration, and as an information, I repeat myself, I never restarted the pool members. So once the pool master is gone, I recommend you not to reboot the pool. So first elect a new pool master, wait for the StateDB to be propagated through to all the slaves, recover all the slaves, make sure that all the remaining and working slaves see the new pool master, and then you can, for example, you can reboot and do normal tasks. But before that, do not reboot. Do not reboot your Xen the slaves from the pool. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.